My appearance. My soul. Boulder's family after hearing the Rusty and the Boulder story. When bus drivers see each other. When pilots see each other. Sir Handel. Hey Duke. Duke. Tastes like disrespect. Facts. Hating on the Andrew Brenner movies doesn't make you an interesting person. When you're happy, you enjoy the music. When you're sad, you understand the lyrics. He's a really useful engine, you know. I love honey. But you know what I don't love? Ewoks. Mysteries that cannot be solved yet. Interior of a black hole. Anything divided by zero. Who keeps making fake transparent images? Who is stupidly bidding hundreds for Tommy Oliver? Help, I've accidentally took Mr. Bubble's bubble liquid to the water tower. Oh god, I have done it again. Thomas had never seen. Do it right. Or die. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture. Trucks get called troublesome. 14-year-old girls, trucks have feelings too. Maybe after Diesel 10 fell on the waste barge, the barge's rubbish was put in the Misty Island tunnel. Diesel 10 was put on Misty Island. After Thomas unblocked the tunnel, he got out and showed up in the end credits. Sir. This is a Wendy's. Sir Topham Hatt, you must not do that again. Everyone on Sodor, noted. Sodor, builds the Sodor Steam Works. Victor, health. Facts. Season 8 to 12 aren't part of the classic series. You're such a dumb animal. Don't you pay hundreds for a toy that isn't even rare? Anything you say into this will reach hundreds of thousands of people. Do whatever you want with it. The great race and tale of the brave aren't as bad as people say they are. Walking. Running. Sprinting. Thomas in Hero of the Rails. What a lovely day to be in meme land. I'm your new enemy. Tommy Oliver memes are dying. I've come to take over. Shit. Paying £2,000 for Hornby Murdoch. Buying Murdoch's basis, painting it orange, and adding a Tommy face. Me, hey, can I copy your homework? Friend, yes, but make sure to change it up a bit. My homework. Trackmaster Alfie is very rare. Wait, Trackmaster Alfie exists? Laughs. Look, a shooting star. I wish people would stop hating on the Andrew Brenner movies for clout. Dad. Why is the FBI here? What is Kelly's gender? I'm the dumbest man alive. I pay overpriced Thomas toys and help inflate prices. You're clearly dumber. Help, I've accidentally done someone else's job. Jack, oh god, I have done it again. 20 chicken McNuggets share box. The fat controller laughed. You are wrong. When you're happy, you enjoy the music. When you're sad, you understand the lyrics. I know how the moon must feel. Motorized pack characters, if they didn't need batteries. therapist. Murdoch isn't real. He can't hurt you. Murdoch. Gordon. Gritton. Family is almost killed by an uncontrolled steam engine. Breakfast is ruined. Karen's demanding to speak. To the Mad tells manager colorized. What are they doing? Bitch fight. Step 1. Send Thomas to America. Step 2. Facts. Boko isn't a diesel version of Edward. When you have a hangover after a night of Welsh coal. When it's Carl D. Fell and not Godred Fell. It's okay, knock off Percy isn't real. He can't hurt you. Knock off Percy. Oh, this is beautiful. When you pee in a swimming pool. Hero is disappointed about your search history. Walking. Running. Sprinting. When a parent lists Thomas merch for cheap. Thomas fans consider season 5, 6, and 7 to be part of the classic series. Audrey. Dad. Why is the FBI here? Thomas season 25 trailer. You got games on your phone. When Mr. Ryan uploads memes and has Tommy Oliver in the video. Driver 3 Joe. What if you do realize I'm a meme because I'm overpriced and not actually rare? Oh. Thanks for watching. Make sure to send your memes through Twitter or email.